at the right price. Yeah, do not undersell yourself. Do not cheapen the product, and do not cheapen what you do. Yeah, it's always the same old thing. Have you heard of the Picasso story?
No.
It's a Picasso story. Is the guy's there's a guy on the beach and he's got his easel set up and he's he's doing a painting, and this lady goes up to him and says, Mister, can you please paint do a portrait of me? He says, no worries. He puts his other artwork down and he gets a clean canvas up and he starts painting this lady while they're on the beach, and you've got the beautiful backdrop, and in 15-20 minutes it was done. And he says, madam, what do you think? Do you like this? And she goes, oh my God, I love it. And she said to him, how much? I've got to pay you. I've got to pay you for this. And he said, $25,000. Right? And she said, $25,000? It took you 15 minutes to do. He said, yeah, but it took me 30 years to learn. So, and that was Picasso.
Yeah.
So,
right. True story.
Yeah, well, no, it's not. It's just it's a story I say.
Powerful lesson.
Yeah. So if something takes me 5 minutes to do, I've got to think back and say, well, I've got software that I've got to pay for, I've got insurance, I've got all this extra cost and rent. So I can't just charge you 5 minutes of time.
Yeah.
What's my time worth? Yeah?
Yeah.
If I don't do it for you, are you going to be able to do it yourself? No. I would pay anything for someone to come and hang a TV on the wall for me. I pay someone to find me frequent flyer seats on aeroplanes, like I was telling you just before.
People
That's priceless.
Exactly.